Alright, now we'll be unboxing this DVR, this NVR. This is an Hikvision NVR. So I'll unbox it to show you what's inside, and we'll insert the hard drive. So let's start. So now the Hikvision NVR. So it does not come with an hard drive. The reason is this: you will be the one to determine your storage requirements. So for those of you that went through my analog class, I explained that extensively, why you need to determine and how you should determine your storage device. So now, if you can see what's here, this is the pad to gum it on the wall, or if you want to, yes, this is to gum it on the wall. This is the hard drive connectors. So this, if you open this NVR now, you will know that it accepts two hard drive slots. So that's why you have two connectors coming with it. So then you have your power cable, you have your Ethernet cable, your Cat6 cable, you have your mouse, and you have your screws.